Are you also running gym class? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate gym class registrations on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Yes, having a gym, you got many class registrations from your users at once. Responding them and doing their registration process manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot. And that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will automate gym class registrations on WhatsApp without you doing any manual efforts. And the creation of this automated WhatsApp chatbot is done in just 10 minutes. Yes. So before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users within a second. For that, I'm going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of gym. Here I'm sending my first message as book class. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that is, hello, welcome to Fit Zone Gym. Please choose a class you want to join, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of classes, that is yoga, Zumba and the cardio blast. Here I want to book the registration for yoga class, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me to share my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to start the class. So I am sharing one date also. Then the timing. Then you can see I have received one customized message from my bot, which includes my name that I have shared as test user, class type that I have selected from the list as yoga, date and time. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your gym class registration bookings, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, stream queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. Here I provided the name, that is automate gym class registrations on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become deactivate and it will not apply to your user. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of events. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as book class. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword, book registration. Here I added only two keywords, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of gym, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message, which includes the list of the classes that I am providing to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that you have to write the body in this enter body box, that I am going to write as hello, welcome to Fit Zone Gym. Please choose a class you want to join. After that I am not writing any footer, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am going to add the types of classes. For that I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as class types. After that I want to add the types of classes, so that I am clicking on this plus add items buttons 3 times. Here I am adding 3 types of classes. You can add multiple. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added all the types of classes, that is yoga, zumba and the cardio blast. You can also write the description in this enter description box. Here I am not writing it. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the class type from this list, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am going to do the setting up of one contact custom field node. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field, drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as class type. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is yoga. Here I am going to do the setting up of 3 contact custom field nodes for each of these class types. See, I have done this here. I use the same contact custom field, that is the class type, but only change the value. At the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choices. After that I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this and this to this. Here it is connected. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving forward, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of class type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set this node here. Now whenever my user will select the class type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am taking ask question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my question as can you please share your full name to confirm your class booking. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I select as text, then the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide the response in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now I am going to add 2 more questions. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. Here I added, that is on which date would you like to book your class. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as booking date. After that, the format I select as date. Then I ask my user to share the timing. For that, I selected the contact custom field as booking time. Now, whenever all these process should done, then at last my bot will respond to my users, which includes their name, date of booking appointment, and the timing, also the class type. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my respond message in this enter message box. Here I write, you can see I have used the dollar symbol before some places because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their provided name in this place. This is the same for class type, booking date and time also. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now the creation of our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate gym class registrations on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box, you can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Done the process of booking registration into your gym without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.